good afternoon. Today we are discussing about password security in computer networks. Now we are discussing about what is password, how to working in social media sectors, and these types of things are explained or discussing in this session. Now over to Ms. Kirtishi.
The password-based authentication is nothing but where we'll have a user, he'll have his username and he'll have a password. Using this, only when the password is correct and it matches the stored password, the user will get access for that particular thing. So this password-based authentication is widely used these days. For example, we use passwords for everything like our mobile phones, for our social media security, and for our various usage of these passwords are taken in our life daily. So these password based authentication is necessary in order to protect a lot of our data. And in this case, we have to see that it is based on the user how he uses the password. So we have strong passwords, weak passwords, and these days the system can even say us that what the password we are giving is whether safe password or strong password or it is weak, and that's all. Now we finally discuss about the different members and their point of views and perspectives on this password-based authentication.
So, as she said, password should be strong or weak. So first we discuss about how the password can be break by the hackers. So if we give the password very simple and it's not complex, the users can hack it very easily by using brute force or dictionary-based hackers. They are recommending that to give a strong password which would be complex and unique, and we should change the password once a week so that they won't get the access of the files we are having. If we give a simple password and if they find out there is more risk of getting loose of our files, our project files and our company name, so the security is missing. So in a good sense, we use a complex and a unique password, we get less chance of being hacked by the hackers. So next Abhira will continue.
So now we are taking a password as design team. Now the password is too simple and also weak as it has only letters. Now the man is giving for both the office account and his personal account the password as design team. So the hackers can easily hack this account because it is too simple as the alphabets are there. If we are giving some numbers or some hashtags, the password will be strong. Now let us consider for example that now we are giving an password for the Instagram as this design team and for this office account as design team. If the hacker is trying to hack this Instagram account, he'll be able to hack both his office account as well as the social media account. So the hackers can easily attack their accounts and all the personal data can be captured by them, and it may cause a great loss to the man who is affected. Now Abhinav will continue the balance.
Okay, as a HR, when using the passwords like HR00 hashtag 7, it seems to be a strong password, but the members would be following the phishing, and the attackers would be attack the HR. Yeah, as a HR, by using the example passwords like HR #007, it seems to be a strong password. Even though it seems to be a strong password, by clicking the wrong link where
we should have a complex and a unique password so that the files of us would not be hacked by anyone. So this case study clearly shows that we want to enable